everyone, you're welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. Lovely, we're making quick, delicious, easy egusi soup that you will love. When they say easy yet delicious, this egusi is what it is. Let's get it started. I'm going to add palm oil into the pot I'll be using. Lovelies, for the exact measurements of everything I used, please check the comment section or the description box. You will find it there. After adding palm oil into the pot, I'm going to allow it to heat up. And into it, I'm going to pour in the blended egusi, crayfish, onions, habanero pepper, and bell pepper. Those are what I have in this bowl. After adding it into the palm oil, I rinsed the bowl and I added the water. It's now time to give it a good mix. Allow me to quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers, to all my active followers. I had you all mega. Thank you so much. God bless you. Newcomers, please remember to subscribe. Remember to follow us, and you'll be glad you did. I'm going to allow it to cook. I'm going to be opening it occasionally, give it a good stir so that it will not get burnt. All right. I'm going to cook this for about 40 minutes together, okay, while I keep opening it and stirring it so that it will not get burnt. At this stage, I'm going to add meat stock. That is the water I use for boiling the meat I'm using. I'm going to add locust beans. Yes, that is iru. It is healthy and it improves the flavor of the soup. Very important in egusi soup. If you're not using eru, then be sure you are using ogiri. Seasoning into it. Like I've said, this is going to be so easy, but I'm taking my time to explain it well to you. And I added a bit of salt. Don't add too much salt. Remember, we have meat stock and we have locust beans. They both contain salt. If today is the first time, please remember to join us here. Remember to subscribe. Remember to press the follow button. Join Delicious Kitchen. You'll be glad you did. Thank you. So I'm going to cover the pot now and allow it to cook. Like I've said, cooking of the egusi before adding meat into it is going to be about 40 minutes. It's good to allow your egusi to get well cooked. I opened it and it's now time to add the proteins into it. Here I have boiled beef. Beef goes well with egusi, and I have shaki there. I have dried fish also there. I have lamb meat as well. So I added all the boiled meat into it. If you want to see how I boiled my meat, please check this page. You will find it there, or I will put it in the comment section or in the description box. You will see how I boil my meat. Boil your meat like a pro. After that, I give it a good mix. It's now time to add well-washed dried fish into it. I've rinsed it well, okay? So I added it into it and I just gave it a gentle stir. You know that it's fish. I tried to push it into the egusi and I'm now going to cover it and allow them to cook together for about 5 to 10 minutes. Ooh la la, the aroma here is everything. It's now time to add vegetable into it. We can use ugu, we can use water leaves or spinach. If you live in the diaspora where those leaves I mentioned are not available, feel free to use kale. It is super good for it as well. You can see how it looks. If you want to egusi without vegetable, it is also good. You will enjoy it. But if you add vegetable into it, you will love the way it looks, and it is making it healthier, and of course you will love the taste. All right, so lovelies, after adding the vegetable into it, I gave it a good mix, allowed it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and tra-la-la, that is our egusi. Our egusi is done. Look at what we have here. This is super easy. It is super delicious. Very simple egusi. You can make for the whole family and they will enjoy it because it is super simple and goes very well with any kind of swallow. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to join us on this channel. I will be glad you did. Thank you and may God bless you. Bye bye.